All right, you weirdos. I got something for you. Let's get into it here, guys. We got some Zebec news. We got some XCN news. We got some JASMY news. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes, guys. We got the shakes that'll make you quake. Let's see what's going on. All right, so JASMY down 3.6% on the day, 14% on the week, 31 on the month, but up 228 on the year. Now, guys, I think that this is possibly a bit of a shakeout, little fake out, before a green week starting tomorrow when the markets open up. But we'll see what happens. I think things are going to be green when I wake up tomorrow. Could be wrong, but according to my wife, I'm wrong all the time. We'll see what happens, right? But we're ranked 76. We're $1.03 billion market cap with 47 million in volume. Will we see volume flow into the space starting tomorrow when $18 billion starts getting sent back to creditors, retail creditors, from the FTX fiasco? And it's not being sent back in crypto like Bitcoin or Solana or anything like that. It's being given back in stablecoin. XCN down 6.4% on the day, 11 on the week, up 88.5 on the month, and up 1,115 on the year. Ranked 102, $675 million market cap with 62 million in volume. Swift Coin down almost 4% on the day, 11.5 on the week, up 148 on the month, and 658 on the year. We are up 6 spots and ranked to 236 with a $189 million market cap. Volume is so bad, guys. 7.31 million. Terrible volume. But again, that's across the entire market, right? Zebec making some moves, guys. Up 23.1% on the day, 65.7 on the week, and 68.3 on the month. Up 73 spots and ranked to 332, a $116 million market cap and 40 million in volume. Let's look at some chart action, guys. See what's going on with some of these charts. A lot of this stuff is just going sideways still, guys, copying Bitcoin, right? Going over to JASMY, we've kind of lost this support a little bit, but we lost it here and here as well, and we came back up. So we're not really that far past it. Sitting at 2 cents, 117. Will we wick back up before this daily candle closes? There's lots of time. I think we could be up here testing the 30-day SMA around that 2 cent 478 sometime tomorrow before this candle closes. So I'm not too shaken or stirred about it, to be honest with you. Looking over at XCN, let's refresh the chart a little bit, see what's going on. Let's give it a little refresh there, make sure we're up to date. All right, so yes, we are. So again, just kind of sideways, boring action, guys. However, we are inside this bullish structure still, guys. People have been asking me if we're going to come down to this 1 cent 5 level at the purple line. We could wick down there, but I really don't think we're going to. Again, I am hoping for a green week next week. I think we're going to start to see things start to turn around as we see Bitcoin dominance and the DXY both kind of curving to the downside now. We could see things start to look a little more bullish. Let's go have a look at Swiftcoin. Same thing on Swiftcoin, guys. Right? All of these projects are ready to explode. They really, really are. Right? Just a matter of waiting it out. So again, sideways, boring, doing nothing action, guys. Right? Holding the support level pretty well. So same as Bitcoin, same as JASMY, same as XCN. Everything is just coiling up big time. Except for, of course, Zebec, right? Now, if you recall, guys, I told you guys when we were down here this morning, we needed to break above this line here at 20126 because it was resistance 1, 2, 3 days in a row. I said we need to break above there. We need to get outside of this 2014 level, and we need to close this daily candle up here, and we did just that. Then we corrected back down to about 20146, and now we're on our way back up again. 2015997, guys. I think that this is the beginning. I said this yesterday when we were over here. I said this is the beginning of a run for Zebec, like XCN had. last month. I think that we're getting ready to see that, guys. This is just the start, in my opinion. This was your first leg up. So yeah, I think that we may meet a little bit of resistance around this golden pocket between 2019 and 2021. We may get a little bit of friction there, a little bit of selling pressure, but I think that's where we're going to end up here. If we can get past this local high that we put yesterday right here, if we can get past this level, right, and we don't continue to reject off of there, then yeah, that's my next target. So that's what we'll be watching for on Zebec, guys. Can we break through? And of course, finally, we got to go look at Bitcoin, even though it's doing absolutely nothing, still holding on to 95,500 right now, closed right around 95,700. So look at this. This is unbelievably boring. Unbelievably boring, man. Like doing nothing. The volatility breaking out of this, guys, whether it's to the upside or the downside, it's going to be crazy. I think we could be, honestly, I think we're going to see a little bit of a fake out dump, 92, 93K, and we're going to end up possibly by the end of this week up here over 101, around 101, $102,000, right? I could be completely wrong, but that's how I see things playing out. That's what I think is going to happen. So yeah. All right, what do we have going on here, guys, in the news for our favorite projects? Zebec, good old Zebec, guys. Courtesy of channel contributor, community member, community leader, Jetpack. He says Zebec network will change the financial ecosystem. As we see here, guys, we've got all of the tags. Absolutely phenomenal. Now we're going to circle a couple of the most important ones here. Real world assets tag, DPIN tag, RWA tag, and of course, one of the most important of all, made in USA, guys. That is going to be a big factor for this project, guys. No capital gains tax moving forward on American-based companies as soon as they can get that passed into legislation. So every project that has that, guys, and potentially, speculatively, you could even see a lot of these made in USA projects get, put into like the World Liberty Financial Portfolio, for example. You never know, guys, right? Keep a sharp eye on it. What else do we have here? Changing the way money moves around the world. Blockchain technology is being adopted at a rapid pace. Zebec is helping to create the future where money and value move more freely, giving individuals, businesses, investors, and teams faster and easier access to funds and tokens. RWA payments, Zebec. We covered earlier this morning, guys. I ran a commercial for you from Europe and MasterCard working with Zebec and also Visa. You'll love to see this, guys. Now here, the good news doesn't stop there, guys. I got you. Look at this. AI on the rocks. Yes, again, we had this last year. We're having it again. Hosted by Ventures, Spring, Dane, GAIB, and Janction. Janction was a host last year as well, guys. This is a basically, last year it was like a party on a yacht, basically hosted by Janction and a couple other companies, and it is like VCs, American VCs, and stuff like that, and it takes place during ETH Denver. And yes, we know that Hara was in ETH Denver last year meeting with VCs. And according to Hara, a lot of the American-based VCs that he was meeting with and trying to get on board to back Janction and stuff like that, and JASMY, a lot of their responses were that they were very interested. However, they were worried about what the SEC would do and how the SEC would respond. So they were hesitant. But now that we have a new administration in place, we have a new and rejuvenated SEC that's not just randomly assaulting crypto companies. Hara will be at ETH Denver again this year. And I told you guys, I've been telling you guys for months, count on the fact that now that there's a new administration in and there's a new head of the SEC, you will see Hara back in the United States in 2025 meeting with American-based VCs trying to get a foothold in the United States. And here we are. Hara hosting with Janction at ETH Denver once again for American-based VC investors, guys. Do not be surprised to see some big announcements shortly after ETH Denver in 2025. I told you guys this was going to be big. This is going to be big. And also, a little bit of XCN news. Onyx Dow tweets out, who has already added the XCN Ledger blockchain to their wallet? Get ready to click an add network button on the Onyx website. So pretty soon you're going to be able to add the XCN Ledger blockchain, same way that you connect your wallet over to the protocol for staking and governance voting and stuff like that. So you're going to be able to do that, guys. So keep an eye out for that. But always, always, always get your link to the protocol from a reliable source. I always prefer going to either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to get the accurate link to the website, so you're not getting some sort of a scam link or something like that, because it happens all the time. These scammers come out, they create copycat clone websites with minor little differences. People connect their wallets and boom, drained. So be careful, protect yourselves, guys. Always get your links from reliable sources. That's what I would say. And listen, we dropped another gem over on the Patreon last night, guys. You do not want to miss out on these. We called Zebec. We got into it a couple of months ago. We called Onyx Coin. We called Swift. Man, we have been calling these. And listen, there's like 6 other plays over there right now that we are accumulating en masse that are going to explode and make phenomenal ROI, guys, right? You don't want to miss out on these opportunities. Check it out, guys. Check out these gems. We drop them so you can pick and choose which ones that you want to add to your portfolio that you think are going to be best for you. All of them, phenomenal market caps, phenomenal tokenomics, phenomenal narratives, guys, tags, awesome stuff. We're not talking junk coins here, man. We're talking high utility plays that are going to have adoption, and they're going to have fantastic price appreciation, in my personal opinion. It's obviously never financial advice. So get over there, guys. Check it out. Do not miss out on these gems. Again, we've been knocking it out of the park. We have helped 28 members on the Patreon hit 7-digit portfolios, and many more have hit high 6 figures, guys, simply by being a part of our community and taking part, right? We have over 1,700 people strong over there, almost 1,800 now. The community continues to grow at a rapid pace. It's exploding. All of the chats are buzzing like crazy. I'm not the only one dropping gems over there, guys. There's a bunch of people looking at these new projects, low market caps, fantastic opportunities. So this is the place you want to be to get this information. And you will learn more over here about crypto and how to handle everything, how to deal with it yourself, your portfolio, everything. To have a well-rounded education in crypto, you will learn more on our community than you will anywhere else for a fraction of the price. Okay, someone actually told me in a one-on-one, because we do one-on-one coaching AMAs over there as well every single day, so get in there and book your spot. Someone told me, I think it was yesterday maybe, they said that they were on another bigger YouTuber's channel, their Patreon, whatever, taking coaching, and they were paying $1,000 a month. $1,000 for this training. We charge $15. And you know what he said to me? He said, I've been with you for 2 months. I've learned more with you and in your community in 2 months for $15 a month than I did over there for almost a year, right? You need to be a part of this community, guys. You need to learn how to do this properly, create these exit strategies, and learn how to compound your gains, rolling profits from one gem into another, right? To maximize the potential ROI in your portfolio. So get over there, guys. We are live on the Patreon every single evening. So join our live calls, book your one-on-one coaching AMAs, check out the gems that we drop, join the community, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one.